sunset, bleeding orange and gold out back. Fields of green blurring past my window pane. This old engine singing through the campaign. Rolling on, leaving yesterday behind. Just a rhythm and the rails on my mind. Cool music in the clatter, in the whistle's cry. This train's my freedom underneath the open sky. Rolling on, rolling on. Dusty towns flicker by like forgotten dreams, crossing rivers where the moonlight gleams. Smokestack breathing, steady lonesome beat. Miles unfolding beneath my moving seat. Rolling on, leaving yesterday behind. Just the rhythm and the rails on my mind. Cool music in the clatter, in the whistle's cry. This train's my freedom underneath the open sky. Rolling on, rolling on. Shadows then fade away. Got no destination, got no name. Just a steel song carrying me through the night, chasing the horizon, bathed in silver light.